Picture this. You've invested thousands in an outdoor entertainment system, only to watch it fail after one season of weather exposure. Sound familiar? Here's why outdoor TV lift cabinets are revolutionizing exterior installations for engineers and designers who understand the importance of protecting precision electronics. Traditional outdoor TV mounting leaves expensive equipment vulnerable to everything nature throws at it: rain, UV radiation, temperature swings, even curious wildlife. But modern lift cabinet systems solve these challenges through clever engineering. Marine-grade enclosures combined with precision actuator mechanisms create a weatherproof vault that deploys your display on command. The technology is surprisingly sophisticated. These systems use heavy-duty linear actuators capable of smoothly lifting panels weighing over 100 pounds. The lift mechanisms incorporate position feedback sensors, ensuring precise movement control and preventing over-travel damage. Advanced models even feature programmable height settings and integration with home automation systems. From an engineering perspective, the thermal management alone is impressive. Ventilation systems prevent condensation while maintaining optimal operating temperatures year-round. The waterproofing goes beyond simple seals, using overlapping lid designs that channel water away from critical components. But here's what really matters for technical professionals. These systems dramatically extend equipment lifespan, often tripling the service life of outdoor displays. They eliminate the constant maintenance headaches of exposed installations. And the modular design means repairs and upgrades don't require complete system replacement. Whether you're designing luxury residential spaces or commercial outdoor venues, understanding lift cabinet technology helps you specify solutions that actually last. The engineering principles apply to protecting any sensitive outdoor equipment. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.